AI won't replace you. That's the headline everyone keeps throwing around. And it's mostly true, but here's the actual truth. A founder who knows how to use AI is the one figuring out how to automate, scale, systemize faster than you. He'll replace your results. He'll out-execute you. He'll do it cheaper, faster, and with way less stress. This video isn't about ChatGPT writing a cute caption or helping you with email copy. This is about leverage. And if you're not learning how to use that leverage, you're still manually grinding through every repetitive task in your business, you are already behind. You might not feel it yet, but the gap is growing. So let's talk about what's really happening, how AI is changing the game, and what smart founders are doing right now to win. My name is Devin Johnson, CEO of SalesAI.com. I've built, scaled, and failed multiple businesses. This is real world advice I wish I knew when I was first getting started. Hope you enjoy. Most people are afraid of AI because they think it's going to steal their job, their business, or their edge. But the fear is misplaced. AI is not the enemy. The real threat is stagnation. The danger is staying stuck doing things manually, sending every email yourself, taking every meeting, writing every SOP, while your competitors are quietly automating 80% of their workflows. The person who understands how to use AI isn't a threat because he's more talented. He's a threat because he's moving faster and lighter. That's your real competition. If you're still trying to outwork him by grinding harder instead of building systems, you're going to lose. AI isn't theoretical anymore. It's not a buzzword. It is not coming. It's already here. And it's already working in real businesses today in ways most people don't realize. Founders are using AI to handle their outbound prospecting, replacing entire SDR processes with smart prompts and AI agents. They're getting rid of personal assistants because of tools like Claude or ChatGPT can now summarize research, pull out insights, and generate ideas in seconds. They're creating full onboarding sequences, training manuals, and SOPs in under an hour. These things used to take teams weeks, days, and even hours. They're automating lead qualification and customer support in real time with voice AI agents that sound like humans that are taking their business to the next level. That's exactly what we're doing here at Sales AI. Our AI agents talk to leads the moment they hit the site. They qualify, handle objections, and even schedule meetings, all without a human. While some founders are still bragging about working 18-hour days, the ones who are really winning are quietly automating 30 hours of the work before lunch. That's not just more efficient, it's smarter business. But here's what AI cannot do, and this is where your edge is. AI doesn't replace vision. It doesn't understand nuances. It doesn't lead your teams, and it doesn't know your customer the way you do, and it doesn't have gut instincts. It doesn't know your market, and it definitely doesn't know what to build next. Think of AI like the world's most efficient intern. You are still the CEO, but the CEO who understands how to train that intern, those are the ones building companies that no one can catch. You don't need to do everything yourself anymore, but you need to understand what only you can do and delegate everything into systems, teams, and AI. Let's talk about the AI-Enabled Founder Playbook. This is the real blueprint for how the top founders are integrating AI into their workflows today. First, they use AI to save time. That means summarizing long documents, meetings, transcripts, all automatically. In our business, team members are running meetings while summaries are automatically being generated and sent to leadership. Founders are using AI to draft professional emails, pitches, and proposals, all faster, more polished, more than ever before. Second, they're thinking faster, brainstorming offers, reworking sales angles, and challenging their assumptions. Really challenging their vision. They're using AI as a real-time sounding board to get out of decision fatigue. Personally, I use ChatGPT and Claude when I'm stuck on something. It's not about getting answers handed to me. It's about using these tools to spark better thinking. I go from indecision to clarity, sometimes within minutes, instead of wasting days and overanalyzing. Third, they're systematizing operations. AI is building SOPs, updating internal documents, and streamlining workflows across teams. We did the math inside of Sales AI. Our SOP agent alone is saving our 67 employees between 10 to 30 minutes a day. Multiply that out, and we're saving internal months of payroll time every single year. And it's not just faster, it's better. These docs are clear, easy to understand, and always editable on the fly. The fourth move is scaling with less headcount. AI first teams are lean, fast, and powerful. We think about our org chart in a whole new way now. We ask, Can AI do this task? Can this be a bot or an agent? We pair this with a team member with an AI agent to replace the need for 2 or 3 other hires. That shift alone has saved us 10 to 15 hires just in the last year. We still believe in hiring great people and world-class talent because, again, AI can't replace vision, nuances, big decision making, so on and so forth. And it definitely can't build culture. However, the first ask is, can software do this faster? And most of the time, the answer is yes. Now let's draw the line between these two types of people. There are those who play with ChatGPT, and there are those who build systems around it. That's the real difference. Don't just use AI, train it, build it, systematize it into your business, make it a standard, not a side project. Think of your business as a pyramid. At the bottom, you've got the systems and processes. Then you have a layer of technology. And then at the top, 20% of your org should require the human touch. That's how you scale effectively. That's how you build leverage. The winners aren't prompt engineers. They're strategic operators who figured out how to turn AI into a reliable, repeatable business engine. So let me say that again. AI won't replace you. But someone who knows how to use it better than you, that person will. And honestly, they already are. If you want to see exactly what we use inside of our own companies, the tools, the prompts, the workflows, and the systems, then stay tuned because I'll be breaking down all of this in a video here very shortly.